Hey everybody, welcome back to our kitchen and welcome back to our channel. Tonight we are going to make a recipe from Snoop Dogg's From Crook to Cook cookbook. So it's late, didn't feel like making dinner, gonna make some dinner. We're gonna make some dogs in a blanket. Pigs in a blanket? Nah, I don't really mess with the pigs like that, he said. My dogs in a blanket are a different story. The top dog has just the recipe to put those hot dogs to use. Forget throwing them on the grill. These weenies never tasted better than they do when they're rolled up. And after you're done chowing down, you might need to roll up something else. So, first thing we need is 8 hot dogs, split down the middle, 2 cups of shredded cheese, 8-ounce can of crescent rolls, jalapeno pepper. We're not using fresh, we're using jar jalapenos here. I got my oven already preheated to 375 and it is in the middle rack. So let's get started. We got our crescent rolls ready. I took a block of pepper jack cheese and shredded it, and now we're just going to take these hot dogs and we're going to cut them right down the middle. We could cut them right down the middle. One of our subscribers sent us this cookbook a while ago, and I've been looking at it, but haven't really made anything out of it. There's a lot of pretty cool recipes in here. He's got drinks. Maybe Snoop Dogg sent it to us. He's got his munchies, Caribbean Queen Cabanos. This right here is all the rave. I guess many people have tried this recipe right here. So the first thing that you want to do after you get the hot dogs sliced in the middle is put some jalapenos on your crescent roll. So we're going to use this nice little spoon that has slots in it that we got, again, from another subscriber. And you're just going to lay these out and kind of position them in here a little bit. So let's get that started. So we have those placed on there. Now we have our hot dogs sliced with slices. You're going to stuff some cheese down in here. Got those hot dogs jam-packed with that jalapeno cheddar cheese. Now you're going to take those dogs and you're going to put them on the widest part. And you're just going to roll, roll, roll. Roll them up, roll them up, roll them up. Roll them up, little doggies.
Where's my seat? And then you're not going to get up there, I'm sure.
Roll them, roll them, roll them. Get them doggies rolling. And then you're going to put them on a greased cookie sheet. Just like that. We'll do the rest. Alright, so he used sliced jalapenos. I would have used diced, but 1, I was lazy, and 2, I followed the recipe. So you're going to stick these in the oven, 375, which is already preheated, for 13 to 17 minutes. And then these dogs in the blanket will be done. I checked these at 13 minutes, and they weren't really golden brown. So I left them go for 3 more minutes, and they are done. Listen to them sizzle. Can you hear that? Oh, yeah. Just got them doggies. Look at them doggies. Look at them doggies. Busting with cheese. Nice and crispy. I just want to take a minute and say thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next video. Please like, subscribe, and drop any comments down below. Thanks, everybody. Bye.